Myself Pradeep Sharma. So this is my first class and today I'm starting a new series of tense. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by tense. A tense is a word that explains times. So there are three types of tense in our English grammar. First, present tense, which is also known as Vartaman Kal. Second one is past tense, which is also known as Atit Kal. And the last and third one is future tense, Bhavishyat Kal. So every three tense has their four types. So first we are going to discuss present indefinite. The four types of present tense are present indefinite, two, present continuous, third type is present perfect, and fourth one is present perfect continuous. So today we are going to discuss about present tense and all four types. So our first work is present indefinite tense. What do you mean by present indefinite tense? One, present indefinite, present indefinite tense. This tense explains present actions, habitual actions, and universal truth. Present actions have this tense explains present action, habitual action, and universal truth. So structure. This is the sentence structure. By using this structure, we make sentences of present indefinite tense. Subject, bhavan, S/ES is optional, and object. So where does we use S/ES and where we not? Let's simplify it by drawing a table. Person, singular, plural, we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it. And fourth person, they, boys. books. Person, there are three types of person. First person singular is I and plural is we. Second person you. And third person while leaving them, I, we and you, whatever subjects are given, they all are considered a third person. If the subject refers to a singular number, then it comes to third person singular, and when it refers to plural number, then it comes to third person plural. He refers to one person, so it is third person singular. But boys refer to more than one, so this falls under third person plural. And if the boy, where does the boy falls? Comment down the answer. Where does the boy falls? Is it third person singular or third person plural? Comment down the answer. So we have written their subjects. We use verb 1. So go. I go. We go. We do not use s/es in first person. In second person, either. We do not use. So third person singular, we use go, goes, and if there is move or in other words, we use s. There we use es, there we used s. We use s/es as per the sentence requirement. If the sentence is present indefinite tense, it falls under third person singular number, we use s/es as per the requirement. And in third person plural number, we do not use s/es. We only use verb 1. So they go. This is our present indefinite tense. Let me finish it by giving some examples. I hope you guys are understanding it a little bit. If you practice it daily, it will immediately comes to your mind. No need to memorize. Practice makes the man perfect. So what are the examples? We are going to make example using structure. What is the structure? Subject, verb 1, s/es optional and object. So first use subject. We use he. Go. Then we comes to s/es. If the sentence is third person singular number, we use s/es. So the he is third person singular number. So we are going to use s/es. So as per the requirement in go, we use es. He goes to school. Next, we play. So we have to see, we written their subject as we, verb 1 play. So s/es. We is a first person plural number. So we do not use s/es. We only put verb 1. And we already had put it. So we play cricket. This is the examples of present tense. So we already written there that present tense, this tense or present indefinite tense explains present action. This comes under present action. So we are going to discuss right now a habitual action. What do you mean by habitual action? A habitual action that becomes an habit. If you go to college every day, this is your habit. If you drink water every morning, this is your habit. So if the sentence claims habitual action, it falls under present indefinite tense. So note, 1. Habitual action. The things which become habit, these are known as habitual actions. In habitual actions, we often see always, usually, generally, daily, everyday, etc. We often see always, usually, generally, daily, everyday. So examples are, we use same sentence formation or structure. So habitual action, I go to college. I go to college every day. Every day. If we see every day in a sentence, it directly falls under present indefinite tense. I go to college. Why we don't use S or ES in this main verb? Because the subject is first person singular number, and if there is first person singular number in present indefinite tense, we do not use S oblique ES. We formally write only verb 1 and complete the sentence. So next example, she usually come to my house. Usually. So this directly falls under present indefinite tense. Usually. So we have to see, she is a third person plus singular number. If there is third person singular number in present indefinite tense, we use S oblique ES. So there already E are there, so we use S. Is it clear? She usually comes to my house. Note number 2, habitual action has already finished. Universal truth. Universal truth refers to those things which are universally truth or universally approved. First, the sun rise in the east. Yes, the sun rise in the east. This is a universal truth. So this directly falls under present indefinite tense. So we have to remember our tense and formation: subject, verb 1, S oblique ES, object. So we have to remember our sentence formation. Look at the subject, the sun. The sun is a third person singular number because the sun refers to a one object. So the sun, third person singular number, we use S oblique ES there. So E is already there, we use S. The sun rises in the east. Next one is the earth move around the sun. Around the earth move around the sun. Earth move around the sun. So this is likely to be a sun. So what does the earth do? He moves from here, here, here. This is a universal truth. So this directly falls under present indefinite tense. Right now we are going to see the subject. The subject is the earth. The earth refers to one object because we only have one earth. So this is directly falls under present indefinite tense and third person singular number. So in third person singular number we use S oblique ES. So we use S in moves. The earth moves around the sun. I hope you guys like it. So please follow, keep subscribe, and like and do a beautiful comment. Thank you guys.